Children play in the water, teenagers listen to the music, and families spend the whole day by the river. Summer in Serbia can be very hot, and people love spending time near the water. Even though Serbia doesn't have a sea, we have many rivers, lakes, and beach areas where people relax during the summer. Places by the river become full of music, friends, families, and people enjoying the sun. I know that because I live near the Danube River. On hot summer days, many people say, idemo na plažu, let's go to the beach. In Serbia, plaža, as I said, because Serbia doesn't have a sea, means a beach by a river or a lake. During summer, people often go to places like Ada Ciganlija in Belgrade, or Strand in Novi Sad, or small lakes and rivers in nature. Because we have a lot of national parks and a lot of lakes where you can spend amazing summer. Before going there, we prepare our things. We usually bring a towel, peškir, sunscreen, krema za sunčanje, water, voda, sunglasses, naočare, and swimsuits, kupaći kostim. In Serbia you can say, nosim peškir, I am bringing a towel. Imam kremu za sunčanje, I have a sunscreen. Gde su moje naočare za sunce? Where are my sunglasses? And treba mi voda. I need water. When people arrive there, they often look for a good place to sit. Some people want shade and some want to sit directly in the sun. Friends put their towels on the ground, play music and relax. Shade in this context is hladovina and sun is sunce. Then someone usually says, danas je baš vruće. It's really hot today. And another person answers, da, ali voda je super. Yes, but water is great. Some people immediately jump into the water, while others entirely go slow because the water in the river, especially in the lakes, can be really cold. You can say, voda je hladna, the water is cold, or voda je topla, the water is warm. You know that normally people spend hours drinking coffee, juice, lemonade, or beer with friends. Summer afternoons are slow and relaxed. At the cafe, you can say, jednu limunadu molim, or koliko košta, how much is it? Of course, don't forget hvala, which is thank you. There are no summer nights without an ice cream. Children often say, hoću sladoled. A ti? I want an ice cream. And you? Or if you're grown up, you can say, može jedno pivo. Can we have a beer? The atmosphere is really nice because children play in the water, teenagers listen to the music, and families spend the whole day by the river. In the evening, atmosphere is even nicer. The sun goes down, the air becomes cooler, and people stay outside talking and enjoying summer nights. Many people say, baš je lepo ovde. It's really nice here. Or volim leto. I love the summer. If you also love the summer, write in the comments below where do you plan to spend this summer, and if you do that in Serbia, let me know where do you plan to go. Why do I ask? Because in Serbia you have a lot of places to discover, like Đerdap National Park, Uvac, or small lakes like Srebrno jezero. Serbia gives you many opportunities to enjoy your summer, and it has even more hidden gems to discover. So next time you visit Serbia during the summer, maybe someone will ask you, ideš na plažu? Are you going to the beach? And now you know exactly what to say. Follow About Serbian for more i vidimo se. Ćao!